Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a modern, single-story wooden kitchen design that seamlessly connects to a vibrant tropical garden. Warm wood and modern lines. The walls feature warm wood paneling, stained in a light or natural tone, creating a sense of warmth and complementing the lush greenery outside. Clean lines define the cabinetry and countertops, reflecting a modern aesthetic. Consider sleek, handleless cabinets for a minimalist touch. Light and airy atmosphere. Large windows strategically placed bathe the kitchen in natural light. A large window or sliding glass doors on a wall facing the garden creates a seamless connection to the outdoors, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Light-colored countertops and flooring further enhance the feeling of openness and airiness. Functionality and efficiency. The layout prioritizes a functional and efficient workflow. A well-defined work triangle is created by positioning the refrigerator, sink, and stovetop in close proximity for ease of use. Modern appliances with clean lines integrate seamlessly into the design. Consider built-in appliances to maximize space and create a streamlined look. Ample storage solutions are incorporated, such as sleek drawers and pull-out cabinets, ensuring everything has its designated place. Tropical touches. Subtle pops of color from tropical-themed dishware. Woven placemats or artwork featuring local fruits add a touch of the tropics without overwhelming the modern aesthetic. Fresh herbs in strategically placed pots on the windowsill or countertop bring a touch of nature inside and add a delightful element to cooking. Indoor-outdoor connection. A breakfast bar positioned near the window or sliding glass doors allows for casual dining while enjoying the view of the tropical garden. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while surrounded by lush greenery and the sounds of nature. Consider a small herb garden outside the kitchen window, offering fresh ingredients readily available and adding a touch of visual interest. Open floor plan, optional. An open floor plan allows the kitchen to flow seamlessly into the living room or dining area, creating a sense of spaciousness in a smaller house. Define designated areas with furniture placement and area rugs. Sustainability features, optional. Consider using sustainably sourced wood for the paneling and bamboo for cabinet elements. Energy-efficient appliances and LED lighting contribute to a more eco-friendly kitchen. Overall appeal. This modern kitchen design combines functionality with a touch of the tropics. The warm wood tones, clean lines, and pops of color create a stylish and inviting space. The large windows and seamless connection to the garden invite nature in and make meal preparation and dining a truly delightful experience. Here are several compelling reasons to design a small, modern, single-story wooden kitchen with a tropical garden in front of the house. Connection to nature and tropical inspiration. Tropical oasis view. A vibrant tropical garden provides a constant connection to nature while you cook, dine, or simply relax in your kitchen. The lush greenery and pops of color create a calming and inspiring atmosphere. Fresh herbs at your fingertips. Imagine having a small herb garden readily accessible just outside your kitchen window. This allows you to incorporate fresh ingredients into your cooking and adds a touch of the tropics to your space. Stress reduction and well-being. Studies show that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. The view of the tropical garden from your kitchen can contribute to a more relaxed and enjoyable cooking experience. Modern design, functionality, and efficiency. Warm wood and clean lines. The combination of warm wood paneling and clean lines creates a modern and timeless aesthetic that is both stylish and inviting. Functional layout. The design prioritizes a functional and efficient workflow with a well-defined work triangle for ease of use. Modern appliances and ample storage solutions provide the functionality needed for comfortable cooking. Open floor plan, optional. An open floor plan allows the kitchen to flow seamlessly into the living or dining area, maximizing space in a smaller house and fostering a sense of connection and togetherness. Light, tropical touches, and personalization. Light and airy feel. Large windows facing the garden bathe the kitchen in natural light, creating a bright and cheerful atmosphere. Light-colored countertops and flooring further enhance the feeling of openness. Subtle tropical accents, pops of color through tropical-themed dishware, woven placemats, or artwork featuring local fruits add a touch of personalization and reflect your love for the tropics without compromising the modern aesthetic. Low-maintenance design. While the tropical garden offers a connection to nature, opting for low-maintenance plants minimizes upkeep, allowing you to focus on enjoying your kitchen and its connection to the outdoors. Sustainability features. Optional, sustainable materials. Wood is a renewable resource, making it a more eco-friendly choice compared to traditional building materials. Consider using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood for the paneling. Energy-efficient appliances. Selecting energy-efficient appliances for your kitchen can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly home. Overall appeal. This design approach creates a modern and functional kitchen that seamlessly integrates with the beauty of the outdoors. The tropical garden offers a constant connection to nature, inspiration, and a touch of paradise, while the modern design prioritizes functionality and aesthetics. This unique combination fosters a delightful and inspiring space for cooking, dining, and enjoying the simple pleasures of home. Here's a roadmap to kickstart designing your modern tropical kitchen. A small, single-story wooden haven seamlessly connected to a vibrant garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Cooking habits. Consider how often you cook and the types of meals you prepare. Storage needs. Think about how much storage you require for cookware, dishes, and pantry items. Budget. Determine your budget for construction, materials, appliances, cabinetry, and landscaping. 2. Research and inspiration. Modern kitchens. Search online for https www.modernkitchendesigns on househouse.com or https www.architecturaldigest.com. Story Modern Kitchen on Architectural Digest. Look for designs with clean lines, warm wood tones, and large windows. Tropical kitchens. Research ideas for incorporating tropical touches through https www.pinterest.com. Tropical kitchen on Pinterest. Pinterest.com. Look for inspiration on how to use color, textures, and plants to create a tropical feel. 3. Consider hiring an architect or designer. Optional. An architect can translate your vision into a functional and beautiful space, especially if you have a complex layout or specific needs for the kitchen and its connection to the outdoors. A designer can help you select materials, cabinetry, and appliances that complement both the modern aesthetic and the tropical accents. 4. Draft a basic floor plan. Sketch a layout considering the placement of windows, doors, appliances, fridge, stovetop, sink, according to the work triangle principle for efficiency. Factor in the location of the entrance and how it connects to the living or dining area. If using an open floor plan, consider incorporating a breakfast bar near a window or sliding glass doors facing the garden for a casual dining area. 5. Design your tropical oasis. Measure your front yard space and plan the layout of your tropical garden. Choose plants that thrive in your climate zone and consider incorporating a mix of heights, textures, and colors for visual interest. Explore container gardening for a flexible and low-maintenance approach. Research and plan for a small herb garden near the kitchen window for fresh ingredients at your fingertips. 6. Maximize natural light and ventilation. Position large windows strategically on walls facing the garden to maximize natural light and ventilation. Consider skylights for additional light if needed. 7. Material selection. Choose a type of wood suitable for your climate and budget. Considering weather resistance for the exterior, explore options for sustainably sourced wood for the paneling and cabinetry. Research countertop options that complement the warm wood tones and modern aesthetic. 8. Navigate building codes and permits. Consult with your local building department to understand any regulations for construction and kitchen renovations in your area. 9. Embrace the modern look. Opt for sleek, handleless cabinetry with clean lines for a minimalist touch. choose modern appliances with clean lines that integrate seamlessly into the design. Consider built-in appliances to maximize space and create a streamlined look. Modern lighting fixtures can enhance the overall look. 10. Personalize with tropical touches. Introduce pops of color through tropical-themed dishware, woven placemats, artwork featuring local fruits, or hanging plants. Consider incorporating natural materials like woven baskets or a sisal rug for added warmth and texture. 11. Finalize your design and start building. Once you have a finalized plan, budget, materials selected, and permits in order, start construction on your modern tropical haven. Bonus tip: consider incorporating energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and water-saving fixtures to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly kitchen. Remember, this is a starting point. Tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. With careful planning and creativity, you can design a modern wooden kitchen that seamlessly connects to a vibrant tropical garden, creating a unique and stylish space that fosters a connection with nature and a delightful cooking experience. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.